Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. I'm very proud and happy to show you my new junk journal that I wanted to make it sooner, but I couldn't because I wanted to learn myself to embroider. So all these embroideries that you can see in my junk journal are handmade. Also the design of the craft papers, some of the designs of the craft papers that I use are mine. So please visit my Etsy shop if you like the design. Also, accept my design papers from my Etsy shop. The kit is Blooming Love, and I made this kit especially for junk journals. I used those papers, those craft papers. I'm going to put the name of those craft papers in my description box. Also, I'm going to put the name of the kit that I used for this beautiful junk journal. I should say thanks to let me read, it was very strange name. It's on Germany's Liebeswusch. I'm not sure did I read this channel well. She's fantastic. She makes a lot of interesting albums. So if you want, you can visit it. I took the pattern, I mean the pattern idea from her. So I give credits to her because I'm honest. And let's get started. First of all, here you can see that I decide to make these beautiful butterflies transparent. Also here, this is as you can see, this is real plant. I bought it from one shop next to my place where I'm living. As you can see from this part, you can see second butterfly. This heart is, I don't know, can you see it? It's hand embroidered from me. Also these beautiful roses, red roses. Probably I should remove all these things because they here there is this beautiful lady. I think it's a little girl, and those are embroidered, hand embroidered, as you can see. Here you can see something like a probably hidden pocket. In which you can see this beautiful postcard, which is my design. Oops! And this beautiful 10 reasons why I love you paper that is blank, but you can also see it in my Etsy shop. Those roses are my design, so you can see it, you can see them in my Etsy shop also. I use a lot of kits and design papers from my Etsy shop, so I'm going to put them in my description box, as I said. Let me just sit comfortably. This is little card. Mini postcard that I made. Again, my design. Probably it's more easy to say what is not my design. Also, beautiful green card. This here is also embroidered for me. It's like a little pocket. You can put something inside. This is also embroidered from me. Actually, everything is embroidered from me. As this one here. Just close this. This is a little stamp. Again, a little stamp. Little pocket. And little tag. Also, there is a little pocket here. Let me just show you. Oops. There it is. As you can see, you can move these plates like that. Here there is another pocket with this beautiful bookmark. This is love letter. Usually it's bigger, but it's in A4. But I'm sorry, it's not in. It's in USA letter, but I decided to make it smaller because I wanted to fit here. And this little booklet that is made from envelope that you can see in my Etsy shop again. And the little tabs are embroidered from me, actually. I don't know, am I saying the right word? I'm sorry if I'm not. Okay. Let me just close it. So I hope that you liked the video. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up. So I wish you an amazing day, and I hope that you enjoy this video. I wish you also inspirations for this beautiful day and a lot of love. Bye bye, see you next time.